Hey guys, I am Creeper here, and today I will be starting a new series, which is episode 1 of my new series, Redstoning. Yeah, okay, so this series will be all about me teaching you guys how to build some certain kinds of redstones and stuff like that. So this time, I will be building a redstone TNT fireworks. Okay, so what you're going to need first is a diamond, any kind of block, any kind of slab, redstone, a repeater. Well, you don't need a repeater, but it could work. TNT, water. Oh, I forgot to also get a lever. Yeah, you don't need this. Oh no. Yeah. So what you're gonna need to do is have some block. You're gonna 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A 5 by 5 one. So then you put the slab in the middle. Get your water bucket, put it on the edges like that. See, like it would look like that. Now we will 1, 2, 3. Okay. And now it will go like this. Around 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And to get a better look at it, it should be like this. Then we'll put redstone all the way on the outer sides, like this. Then like that. All these blocks right here. Take it down here. And put a pressure plate. And to check if it works, we could get one right here. A wooden one. Throw that down. And is it all lighted? Don't think it is. Let's get closer then. No, I want you work. I want you work. It worked. Oh my god. Does it work? Does this look like it works? Let me check. Okay, it worked. Put one here. Pressure plate right here. And now we're also going to, what was it? Oh yeah. So we're going to get the redstone now. Place it up here, up here, up here. Let it go around right here. Place another pressure plate here. And now we will put a TNT right in the middle of here. One right here on the edges. But we want to keep this water block like right here, a little clean, you know, and stuff like that. So yeah. And now all we have to do is, so this one right here, the top one, you don't light that one first. You want to light the bottom one, and after a few seconds, you should step on this pressure plate. It's like, and which falls on that, the water comes in, blows up like that. Yay! Another way we can do it is, let's get rid of all this. Get a repeater, back to redstone. Okay. Repeater right here. And we'll put a lever right here. Let me check if this works. Wrong way. Okay, it works. Now we should turn this off. I put the TNT back over here. Where the hell? Oh. TNT's right here. And keep this one empty like always. Now, in 3, 2, wait. Is the top one filled? Okay. Go! You guys saw nothing. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Well, this one was a fail, but you can still use the pressure plate one I showed you in the beginning. If you guys liked it and enjoyed it and want to see more videos like this with redstone in it, give me like ideas or suggestions in the comment, and I'll gladly try to do them for you. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching, and peace.